Here from your National Weather Service office in Phoenix, I'm meteorologist Jared Heil with a forecast update on a high wind event and other impacts from a strong storm that's going to pass through the region Tuesday into Wednesday of this week, February 21st, 22nd. Quiet weather overall tonight. Tuesday morning, a few showers possible south central Arizona. Then that red shaded time frame there. Tuesday late into Tuesday night into Wednesday. That's where we have a high wind warning for parts of the area and wind advisories elsewhere. Blowing dust expected and some snow potentially, mainly across south central Arizona and northern Arizona above 4,000 to 5,000 feet. So let's really get into the details here. Talking about the wind, that is the number one concern from this particular weather system. And it really can't be stressed enough. This is not your run-of-the-mill cold front with strong gusty winds in the southwest. This is an unusually strong weather system. Winds at 4, 5, 6, 7,000 feet above the ground are going to be howling 50 to 80, as much as 100 miles an hour. So we're going to be mixing down some of that wind into the ground, and that's going to be the concern as we push into Tuesday night and Wednesday. So definitely on the map, take a look, find your hometown or nearest location plotted there. Wind gusts could be 50 to 55 miles per hour around Phoenix, about a 50 to 60% chance that winds somewhere in the valley could exceed 50 miles per hour, especially on Wednesday. And then those shades of red, we're talking about Gila County, we're talking about sections there of Imperial County, California. That's where the winds could be especially strong, 65, 70 miles an hour, locally above that. And that's when you start to get into concerns of damaging wind gusts from this weather system. Down trees, power outages, perhaps power lines down, and areas of widespread blowing dust and haze are also likely because of the long fetch of wind that's going to span west to east across pretty much all of southeast California and southern and central sections of Arizona. If you're going to be traveling, especially on north-south oriented roadways, high-profile vehicles, it's going to be pretty treacherous out there by Tuesday night and Wednesday, no doubt about it. Here are the wind hazards around Metro Phoenix. In that lightest shade, we have a wind advisory for all of the metro. Northeast of town, in the higher terrain above 3,000 to 4,000 feet, a high wind warning in effect. And then out to the west, there is the high wind warning in gold for much of Imperial County, southern Riverside County, just west of Yuma. So you folks, Imperial Valley, El Centro, Salton City, you're going to see those winds gusting 50, 60, 70 miles an hour late Tuesday evening, Tuesday night. And the winds could be even stronger than that as you head toward Mountain Springs on I-8 and up into San Diego County. It's going to be a tough ride, and you might want to reconsider travel into that part of the area Tuesday night as the strong winds are expected to really rip through there and be perhaps damaging, as I said, on some level. Another aspect of this weather system will be the potential for snow. This is mainly going to be above 35 to 4,000 feet with 3 to 7 inches above 5,000 feet. You folks north and east of Phoenix, so Globe 1 to 2 inches, Payson 4 to 6 inches, Prescott 4 to 6 inches, and travel on 60, 70, and I-17 could be affected, particularly on Wednesday. With the strong winds and snow combined, travel into northern Arizona up toward Flagstaff Wednesday could be very dangerous. So please be very careful and perhaps reconsider travel into that area. Overall, liquid precip amounts are not going to be very heavy with this system. There will be some showers on the front as it passes through south central Arizona, including Phoenix, on our Wednesday morning. There's also a slight chance of lightning, but this weather system does not have a lot of instability with it. It's just a wind maker for the most part across the lower deserts. But with the strong amount of energy passing through, to spark a lightning strike would not surprise us sometime Wednesday morning, but that's a very low threat. The last thing we wanted to mention very quickly here, we have some snowmelt ongoing along the Tonto Basin and upstream of Lake Roosevelt. With the low water crossings, we have issued a flood warning as we have reached action stage. So remember to not drive through those low water crossings when the water levels are high and swift. We'll keep you updated on this weather situation. Visit our website, weather.gov/Phoenix, our social media platforms as well. as this wind event draws nearer to the southwest. In the meantime, have a great night and stay safe.